Hey there, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of INFJs, one of the rarest and most mysterious of the 16 Myers-Briggs personality types. Representing only 1–2% of the population, INFJs have a unique blend of intuition, creativity, and emotional intelligence that sets them apart as intellectual powerhouses. But what exactly makes them so exceptional? Is it their rare ability to see the big picture, their uncanny knack for empathy, or perhaps their relentless thirst for knowledge? By the end of this video, you'll understand why INFJs are often called the brainiacs of the Myers-Briggs world. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's uncover the hidden brilliance of the INFJ mind. Let's start with their intuition, arguably the foundation of their remarkable intelligence. When we talk about INFJ intuition, we're not suggesting they can predict the future or read minds. Instead, it's their extraordinary ability to perceive and process information that others often overlook. They can pick up on subtle cues, unspoken emotions, and nuanced behaviors, allowing them to read between the lines and uncover deeper truths. For example, where others might take someone's words at face value, an INFJ instinctively senses the underlying emotions or motives. This allows them to draw meaningful connections and anticipate outcomes in ways that feel almost magical. But make no mistake, this isn't magic. It's a highly developed skill rooted in their capacity to process complex information intuitively and holistically. Next, let's talk about their creativity. While creativity is often associated with artistic pursuits, INFJs possess a unique ability to combine their emotional depth with logical reasoning. This fusion enables them to generate ideas and solutions that are not only innovative, but also deeply impactful. Many INFJs are naturally drawn to creative fields, like writing, music, or art, where they excel by channeling their emotions into their work. But their creativity isn't limited to the arts. In problem-solving scenarios, whether personal or professional, they approach challenges from unconventional angles, crafting solutions that are both practical and visionary. This ability to think outside the box makes them invaluable team members, leaders, and innovators. Now, let's discuss one of the INFJ's most underrated traits, empathy. While some might argue that empathy isn't a form of intelligence, INFJs prove otherwise. Their ability to deeply understand and relate to others' emotions is not just a social skill, it's a tool for navigating relationships and fostering collaboration. INFJs can step into someone else's shoes with ease, seeing the world from their perspective. This superpower allows them to build trust, resolve conflicts, and create environments where people feel genuinely understood. In a world where emotional intelligence is increasingly valued, INFJ's empathy sets them apart as exceptional communicators and relationship builders. INFJ's intellectual brilliance doesn't stop there. One of their most striking abilities is their knack for seeing the big picture. They're masters at synthesizing vast amounts of information and identifying patterns, connections, and overarching themes. In an era of information overload, this skill is nothing short of invaluable. Their inclination towards systems thinking allows them to approach problems comprehensively. They see how different pieces of a puzzle fit together and anticipate potential roadblocks before they occur. This makes them exceptional strategists, able to create plans that are as thorough as they are innovative. Whether they're analyzing complex ideas or solving everyday problems, INFJs consistently cut through the noise to find clarity. Let's not forget their capacity for abstract thinking. INFJs excel at conceptualizing complex ideas and breaking them down into digestible, relatable insights. This makes them outstanding teachers, communicators, and mentors. They can explain intricate concepts with such clarity that others not only understand, but feel empowered by the knowledge. And because they're not confined by conventional thinking, INFJs often come up with groundbreaking solutions to problems. They're unafraid to challenge norms, explore uncharted territories, and imagine what others deem impossible. This intellectual flexibility is a cornerstone of their success, allowing them to adapt and thrive in any environment. Now, let's touch on perhaps the most impressive aspect of INFJ intelligence, their depth of insight. INFJs don't stop at surface-level observations. They dig deep, uncovering the root causes of problems and understanding the motivations that drive people's behavior. This ability to see through facades and into the heart of a matter gives them a unique perspective on the world. Whether it's understanding complex social dynamics or offering profound advice, INFJs bring unparalleled depth and clarity to every situation. Their insights often leave others wondering, how did they know that? But for INFJs, it's simply second nature, a reflection of their ability to perceive the world in ways most people cannot. So, what fuels this exceptional intelligence? INFJs' relentless curiosity and thirst for knowledge. They're constantly seeking to learn, grow, and expand their understanding of the world. Whether they're reading, researching, or reflecting, they prioritize intellectual growth as a core aspect of their lives. They also know the value of rest and self-care, understanding that mental clarity requires balance. By prioritizing their emotional and physical well-being, INFJs maintain the energy and focus needed to keep their mind sharp. This holistic approach to learning and self-improvement ensures that they're always at their best. In summary, INFJs possess a unique combination of intuition, creativity, empathy, systems thinking, abstract reasoning, and deep insight. These qualities make them some of the most intelligent and innovative individuals you'll ever meet. Their ability to perceive the world on a deeper level allows them to make meaningful connections, solve complex problems, and inspire those around them. But remember, intelligence is just one facet of personality. Each of us has our own strengths and gifts, and the world needs all types to thrive. So whether you're an INFJ or someone who admires their brilliance, there's always something we can learn from each other. Did you enjoy this deep dive into the fascinating and intricate minds of INFJs? If so, we'd love for you to show your support by hitting that like button. It not only lets us know you enjoyed the content, but also helps others discover this video. Sharing is caring, so don't forget to share this with friends, family, or anyone curious about the unique qualities of INFJs. Whether they identify as an INFJ themselves, or simply want to understand the rarest Myers-Briggs personality type better, this could be the perfect video to spark meaningful conversations. We're also eager to hear from you. Do you identify as an INFJ, or do you know someone who does? What traits stood out to you the most in today's discussion? Perhaps you've experienced firsthand the powerful intuition, creativity, or empathy of an INFJ in your life. Share your thoughts, stories, or even questions in the comments below. Your insights not only enrich the discussion, but also help others better appreciate the depth and uniqueness of this personality type. Let's keep the conversation going and build a community of understanding and connection right here. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more psychology insights, personality breakdowns, and thought-provoking content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.